we were able to catch up with the deadline, there's a big chance for me to be in Congress with ang batang musmus than...
Pero siguro, let's look at it from a divine perspective. Baka hindi ka lang muna pinayagan mismo. Dahil sa pinaka-build up lang yung scheme mo.
Yeah.
So that later on, full blast.
Pinakukulo ka muna talaga.
Oo, hindi ilaw. I think
kasi parang mahirap din magluto na i-serve mo sa media, i-serve mo sa tao, yung niluluto mo hilaw. Hilaw ka. Marami magtatanong sa'yo, bakit, paano? Maraming if, maraming why, maraming question mark. Ang importante doon, luto ka. Malinis,
for example,
maganda, masarap.
I have one vote. I have one party list vote. I did not vote ABM. But now that I know, I vote for you. O ano yun ang, ano ang...
Yeah, but you know what? Our thinking was, for really, yung katulad din kay Jamie in 2004, that she really wants to be a president, she will spend all her, you know, by all means, right? So we thought that if only we were given the chance to be accredited by COMELEC, then we will make sure by all means we will win.
Okay.
Because
yun na nga eh.
even if with a short notice, then I can pour my resources because this is it. This is 2010. I want to see in 2010.
There are two ways of getting towards your goal. Ang goal mo, Dr. correct me if I'm wrong, is to serve the children,
Of
right?
course, yeah.
Okay. So two things. One, nagtayo ka na ng foundation. You can serve first and then enrich your service by obtaining a seat in Congress. That's one way. The one that you're referring to is the reverse. Obtaining a seat in Congress, enriching your services, and then serving. Hindi ka nga pinayagan doon sa second eh. So doon tayo sa first. Enrich your services, serve muna, and then run for...
Sa akin kasi pinanghihinayang ko, kunyari, sana kung nakuha namin to accreditation this.
Oo nga.
Kasi that 3 years of waiting, there's a lot of kids that will die, that will go hungry, because that's 2010 plus another 2013. If we will win in 2010, you know, the pork barrel, that's very, we know where to put the money.
Alam mo na nandyan yung eagerness, nandyan yung willingness sa'yo. Pero hindi ibinigay sa'yo. Because there are really, nakikita talaga na mayroong mga pagkukulang. At
mag-support yung mga pagkukulang. Ang nakikita ko lang pagkukulang talaga is the time that I don't have that enough time. Imagine.
Maybe because you were not thinking also before, like 3 or 4 years ago.
No, somebody already suggested that part.
Somebody had suggested, pero wala talaga sa isip mo na lutuin, gawin,
oh yeah, of course, during that time, I didn't imagine that it has to be like 12, 13 regions that you have to set up.
Exactly. Not unlike now.
See, your first move was to become a congressman in your district. Ang babanggain mo ba ito?
Yeah, I know.
With his support, his machinery, and you, who are you? Talagang sisirain ka niya. Wala siyang choice, nakakahiya siya sa partido.
Pero you know what, the 2007, wala talaga siyang sinira masyado sa akin.
This is what I'm trying to say. Now, dahil sa hindi ka natuloy nun, na kung ikaw ba susunod, gusto mo natuloy ka, naging congressman.
Ano na, I know I cannot.
Well, anyway, but still, you made a try for it. Hindi ka pinayagan. Nung hindi ka pinayagan, this idea was born for ABM. And comparing yung pagiging congressman mo sa first district, your first responsibility is constituents mo. Now, saan ang...
Well, mas maganda, mas broader sana
exactly. So that's the reason, Doc. Hindi ka pinayagan sa first endeavor mo, binibigay ka sa dito. Ngayon, eto na yung second endeavor mo. Hindi na naman binigay sa'yo.
Hindi na naman, kinapusan naman ng
oras.
Isipin
mo ngayon, ano na naman ang pinapaisip sa'yo for the next one. Kasi kung ayaw, papatayin niya may dinner
for the people in COMELEC that I really respect, after the suggestion, Doc, you start now with the second registration, you start the SEC, and then you set up now yeah. Even what's this?
Maganda nga yung maganda nga yung isa sa mga stories na pwede mong ilabas for your PR. Gawin mo, from a local perspective, from local service, you go, not even nationwide, it's international eh. Because if there's a child leading you in the United States to be brought back here, hindi mo ba ibabalik dito ang kaya mo? So sinaservisyon mo yung bata nga sa United States, you become international.
Tama. Saka pinakikita sa'yo na hindi lang maliit ang malakihan.
Malakihan ka.
Actually, yung nakita sa'yo, hindi ka natalo eh. yung endeavor mo na gagawin mo ngayon, mas malaki
Mas malaki.
ang kailangan mong ibuhos na
At saka
time.
ako,
Siguro tinatanong ka din
Kung
na,
ako,
talaga ba may oras ka? Talaga ba? May mga ganong mga bagay, titignan mo, huwag kang magmamadali. Siguro tinitingnan din yung mga resources mo. Uy, teka muna, nagsasayang ka lang dyan. Kailangan ayusin mo muna.
tsaka I'll talk from a media person's perspective. Dalawa yung personalities mo ito. One, Anacleto Melendez, congressman. Ano ginujudge sa'yo dito? Pagkatao mo, sino ka, pamilya mo, mayaman ka ba, ano ba partido mo, ano ba mga, ano mo, gwapo ka ba, talagang babae mo. Samantalang, dito sa
Gabukin.
ano ginujudge? Ilan bata na tulungan mo? Ilan ang buhay na bata dito sa ABF? Sino kayo na madaling?
Anong bata, anong naitulong mong medical, anong naitulong mong financial. Ganon, hindi na kaagad natatapos.
Ay, alam mo, pagkabit, ako naman, right now they're all in YouTube, like, very local, sabihan natin to. But, you know, what everybody that, hindi mo maliliit na tulong ko sa bata. There was one time, early part of 2007, just before the filing of candidacy, nasunugan yung isang squatters area sa Davao. I was the first. May utang yung kaibigan kung pangit ko sa akin na pera, tapos may bakery. Sabi ko, kagad, sabi ko, pwede ko bang kunin yung bayad mo sa akin in the form of bread. Kasi may nasunugan. I was the first, as early as 5 o'clock. We were the first to go there. Naka-video yan. Nag-umaga na lang na nag-distribute ako ng pandesal, mga ano-ano, mga pastries na na-pull out ko halos yung pinautang ko doon sa hindi na kasi singil ng pera, yun na lang para ito. So, well, you think some councilors in Davao did that?
Yun naman, marami ka na simulan. Kailangan, sa simula naman yung liit na mga bagay na yun, biglang lalaki. Kasi, kung ikukumpara, sino ka ba na
Personalan niya eh.
personalan talaga ang politika sa Pilipinas.
Pero pagka ikaw tumutulong ka sa bata, ang personalin nila, kasama nilang tao, pero personalin nila yung pagtulong sa bata.
Oh, yun naman, honestly, may insecurities.
Oh, well, hindi mawawala.
Even my own
great.
board member sa UP Alumni Association in Davao,
You know what?
they feel so. They feel so.
Lalabas ka pa eh. Doon na lang sa hospital na pinag-servisyo mo dati, walang intriga.
Oo.
Sa eskwelahan. Lahat na yun.
Sometimes na-frustrate ako. Sabi ko, I thought that ibang, with all my support sa aming UP board, na hindi dito, ngayon lumalag sa surface ngayon para silang na-insecure sa akin with all the
So
publicity.
ngayon, let's just say, tingnan natin yung perspektibo. Kailangan gumawa ka ng magandang PR team.
Pero ang problema ko talaga sa mga ganyan, I have a problem with making it like that. Why? Because I know that's not for free. There is nothing free anymore. See, I don't have the funds. If I have that limited funds, I would just give it directly to
the concern.
Rather than spending the money to the PR group. See, that's very basic on my part. Na, with the limited resources, may kainin na napunta lang, it defeats the purpose of really helping the poor kids. So,
Pero kasi Doc,
yan ang problema ko, I would like to make, if that is the approach, you want to make it big, nationwide, are there people who would help me for free? Di wala eh.
there are a lot of people.
There are a lot.
Oo.
Huwag kong mag-judge ng ganun.
Parang ganun ang feeling ko kasi nandiyan yung, siyempre, there are people like, meron mga proposal, ganyan. If you talk seriously about this, yung pala may cost na, well, buti ko gano'n ako, buti ko nga talagang wealthy talaga ako to pay these people, no? Na to PR, to market the advocacy.
Ganito yung Doc na. Give me 2 minutes. Okay? If you look at it in that perspective, you are separating the function of the PR, or you are setting it apart from your endeavor. Even what you're doing is not really for free, it costs.
Oh yeah,
Everything
but,
that you do, it costs.
yeah, but
Now,
then,
but I said 2 minutes.
yeah, see,
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay.
Alright. So if you set it apart, it becomes a separate limb from you. But if you look at it from a, let me borrow your word, holistic, it becomes a tool for you to make your service bigger and your reach wider. Now, the thing that I'm going to tell you is do not choose a PR group that's there for the money.
Yeah. Maybe I just
Choose a PR group that's there with you for your endeavor. Okay? Meron mga PR group dyan, pera lang talaga.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you one.